be a huge contrast between your lip color and your lip liner color. I have a group project to do today. I organized my morning on Microsoft Outlook, but I'm running late right now. Ooh, that's not good. I'm supposed to be eating breakfast right now, but I'm finishing up my makeup. Apparently I take too long to get ready. That's true. So I'm gonna try and finish within 7 minutes and then go rush to eat my breakfast. These days, I've been listening to a lot of SD Kid. I don't know why I said that, I just feel like I should make conversation. I really enjoy his music, like I walk with a power in my step when I listen to his songs. I've started doing brown eyeliner instead of black eyeliner, and I think it's a lot more subtle and cute. Now we're doing lips. Very quickly we're doing lips because I do not have time right now. I'll show you how I do my lips. It's a very cheeky method. So first of all, you grab black eyeshadow, dab it very lightly, and we're going to do the corners of our lips. So like this. See? It's very subtle, but it extends the width of your lips. Like that. Then I go in with a dark brown, this one. And I line my lips. I line my... I overline them slightly, by the way. Then I go in with cappuccino. And I line my lips again, overline. Don't draw too hard with your lip liner, otherwise there'll be a huge contrast between your lip color and your lip liner color. Then I go in with this product that I got from South Korea. Then I use this Fenty Beauty lipstick. Very lightly. And then I use this, which I also got in Korea. Just a bit of that. And then I go in with a lip gloss. This one, I think it's a plumping one because it makes my lips burn a bit, so it probably has peppermint oil or something in it. Lips done. Okay, makeup done. I am late. I need to go eat breakfast, and this morning I'm going to make myself a cheeky matcha because I haven't made myself a matcha in very long. Why did I pause like that? And I really want to take it to class with me. Today is a very busy day and I just want to have something nice with me. Nina, what seasonings do you use? What seasonings do you use? I'll show you right now. Okay, first of all, olive oil. Oh, and then you... Why am I showing you how to cook an egg? And then you spread it around. That is too much, I know. Then we go in with some salt. And then we have smoked paprika for flavor. Garlic granules also for flavor. Oh, that's too much. And then finishing with parsley. Sometimes I put sauce on top too when I cook the egg. In the meantime, we'll make our matcha. I use this one that I got from Seoul Plaza. I kind of don't like it. I won't be buying again. Even though the other ones are more expensive, this is like the cheapest one. I think they tend to be tastier. I'll probably get a different one next time. I had one mug, but I accidentally smashed it, so I have to use this little container to make my matcha. We're gonna go for 1 heaping teaspoon. This feels so wrong. Oh, shoot. Okay, my hand is just slightly burning. Doesn't that look so nice? Yay! It's such a nice color too. Wait, why is it kind of pretty? Does it look nice? I think it looks quite nice. Okay, I'm ready to go. I worked on a project for like half an hour, but now I realize my phone does not have enough battery and I need to rush home and get my charger before my first lecture, which is in like 20 minutes. Going to floor 2. I have to write my application for something. I'm applying for an opportunity and I need to write the application now. Hello! I had a good day of lectures and also working on things. I still haven't shown my full day. I don't know why I don't do that. I just get kind of nervous and I don't do it. But regardless, I wanted to show you what I made. So I was cooking chicken and it's been a miserable chicken cooking experience. Like, I don't know why my chicken tastes bad. You should have seen the first chicken dishes I'd make when I came to uni. I would have like one bowl of ramen and I'd have a plate full of chicken and I didn't want to touch the chicken, so I just put it in the oven. I'd put on like basic seasoning and put it in the oven. Tell me why my chicken was white. Like this exact color of white my chicken was. No, like the wall behind me, it was very pale and it tasted like nothing and I hated eating it. Now I season it better. I realized halfway through cooking my chicken that I didn't put any carbs with it, like any bread or rice. So then I was thinking, wait, I have cheese in my fridge. And I remember when I was younger, I would make this Korean dish. I forgot the name. and I would use cheese and like cabbage or lettuce and chicken, and I loved it. It was so delicious, and I'd put gochujang in it as well. Now I remembered that I can make it. It kind of looks bad, like the cheese, when I transferred it from the pan to the plate, it looks ugh. So sorry you have to see the food that I made. Genuinely, I'm getting the ick while editing it because it looks so bad. And while I was cooking, I was listening to some K-pop music I used to really enjoy. And then Hot by 17 played, and I remembered that it was in Hybe Lunchbox. I freaking love that show. I think I watched it twice, and I want to watch it again. I haven't seen it in so long. I also just clocked, because I was listening to K-pop, that I haven't been involved in it. Especially since I started university, I've completely fallen out of touch with the culture. Listening to this music brought me so much happiness, and I completely like abandoned it over the past few months. I think it's part of my inner child listening to K-pop, so I'm gonna watch... Is it called Game Caterers? Yes, I'm gonna watch the Game Caterers now. I'm so happy. Just watching it is giving me so much nostalgia. I miss being 14 years old and being a huge K-pop fan. Wait, that's still me.
저희 옷도 저희만 검은색 입혀놓고 거의 여기 지금 조문받아야 돼.